upload content for almost 2 weeks now, and I'll explain why in another separate video. But if you're new here, I make dog bakery business videos, DIY, and recipes for dogs. I'm also the owner of Dog Bakery Academy and created a How to Start a Dog Bakery e-course. Speaking of the course, I am so excited to let you know that the course is open for enrollment and early bird is now live. Early bird offer ends this Thursday, September 3rd, so you can score yourself a sweet deal during early bird week. I'll add a link in the description box below to the course site so you can just hop on over and see if the course is right for you. In today's video, I'm going to answer all of your frequently asked questions about the course. I divided them up into 3 sections. The first section will cover general questions about the course. The second will be a set of questions that will cover business and legal related questions. And the third will cover all of your questions about baking and decorating. All right, let's get started. FAQ number 1. The course is a little out of my budget. Do you offer payment plans? I completely understand the course is definitely an investment, but I have great news for you. I am offering 3 payment plans. The first one is a one-time payment, and with it you'll receive a bonus 40-minute one-on-one coaching call with me. During the coaching call, you can ask me anything you want, or if you need to bounce ideas off with me, or if you want me to look over your business plan, your costing, branding, or anything you want. It is your 40 minutes to utilize it however you like. The second option is a 3-month payment plan. The payments will be divided into 3 equal payments. The third option is the most flexible payment plan and is offered with PayPal credit. What is PayPal credit, you ask? I'm going to tell you right now. I'm so excited to let you know that PayPal credit offers a 0% interest rate when the entire amount is paid in full in 6 months. When you sign up during early bird week, that's $249.50 a month. Let me repeat that. That's $249.50 a month. The program is designed for you to pay as you go. You can learn more about PayPal credit when you visit our website, and I'll also provide a link in the description box below. FAQ number 2. How do I take the course? Is it live? Is there homework? The entire course is online, and once you sign up, your login details will be immediately emailed to you. The first third of the course will be released on a weekly schedule, and the rest will be released soon right after. This will help the DBA members not to feel overwhelmed with all the information coming to them all at once. The course is done at your very own pace, and there are worksheets you can download along with an ebook and cheat sheets that you can all work at your own time. There won't be any assignments that are due, and I specifically did this because I want you to take the course in at your own time and at your own pace, so you're not rushing and procrastinating to get assignments in, and because this would just not be helpful, because you're just gonna end up not retaining anything because you're just like rushing and just going through the motions. And so the course will be delivered by video, audio slides, worksheets done for you, recipes and cheat sheets, and so much more. FAQ number 3. How long is the course going to take? This is completely up to you. Again, this is at your own pace. If you're already working a full-time job, you can put yourself on a schedule and stay on track. You can be up and running in about 12 weeks. This includes the legal, business filing times it takes to develop and finalize your recipes, sending in your labels, getting approvals, creating your website, product photography, designing your labels and packaging, and the list goes on. It's up to you to keep yourself on check and on track so you can move yourself forward. I'll give my members nudges and support, but it's really up to you to do the work and move yourself forward to your first sale. Cha-ching! FAQ number 4. What if I need more help? Can I schedule a one-on-one call with you? Yes, you certainly can. If you would like one-on-one coaching, I'll be setting up a scheduled calendar where you can purchase coaching calls. This will only be available to the current members in the course. This is so that they will always have access to me. FAQ number 5. I'm worried I won't make any money. Can you guarantee my success? Just like any other educational institute, I can only give you the information, tools, and resources to get you right on track and get you there faster. But it's really ultimately up to you to take what you learned from the course and apply it to your business. Starting and owning a business is a lot of work, and it takes a lot of grit, self-motivation, and being resourceful to be successful. If you don't want to roll up your sleeves and do the work, then I really don't think owning and operating a business is for you. FAQ number 6. I'm unable to start the course right now. Is there any way you can give me information for free? I offer free content on this YouTube channel, and you also have the greatest resource of all, Google. Google is your friend. As I mentioned earlier, please don't sit around and rely on somebody else to give you the answer. Be resourceful. If you don't consider yourself resourceful, please practice, because you're gonna need it throughout your entire business. FAQ number 7. Why is the course so expensive? I get it, the course is an investment and this question is way more than valid. Let me break it down for you. When you think about what you would be spending if you went to pastry school and business school, you would be pulling 5 to 6 figure loans. Even with all that schooling, you would still need to figure out how to translate it into a dog bakery business. I've received so many emails from people who are upset about the price and that I should just give away this information for free. And let me just tell you, Dog Bakery Academy is definitely not the end-all be-all and not the only way you can learn how to start a dog bakery. Plus, I'm not forcing anyone to take this course or stopping anyone from researching and figuring it all on your own. Listen, I did it and so can you. I understand the frustration because it is an investment, and I can actually feel the energy of urgency from people because they want to start their business now. But you don't have to rush and start your business now. The course will be here, and when you're ready, the Dog Bakery Academy and I will welcome you with open arms. Again, this course is not your only option, and you can take my course module as your guide and start researching and building your business. Just believe in yourself and you can do it. Don't feel like that you need me and I'm the only person that can give you this information, because you can definitely find out on your own. FAQ 8. I don't need the whole course. Can I just buy a couple modules? I will be launching a pro decorating course. This course will be designed for already existing dog bakeries, or if you've already done the research on your own to do the beginning part and you just want to learn how to decorate, then you can also take this course. This course will be launching sometime in late October and early November. The ultimate sourcing guide will also be available for purchase in the future. Now on to the next section. Business and legal. FAQ 1. I'm worried about the legal costs of setting up my dog bakery business. Aren't attorney fees in the thousands? Attorney fees are super expensive, and yes, in the thousands. In my first business back in 2006 or 7, I spent around $1,500 on legal fees. Yikes! When I started Bobby and Bambi's dog bakery, I was quoted around $2,500 plus an hourly rate for calls. Double yikes! Luckily, the attorney I wanted to work with was a friend of a friend and referred me to a service that was way more affordable. I share this information in the course. FAQ 2. How can I know in advance how much everything is going to cost to start up my business? In the course, I provide a startup cost worksheet to help you organize and plan your financials. If this is something you like to do before the course, you can Google startup cost worksheets and follow the format and tally up your projected startup costs. Just think of everything that you would need in order to start and grow your business. FAQ 3. Will you be teaching us how to figure out pricing for our products? Yes, definitely I will. I want you to cost your products so that you can be profitable. Oftentimes, business owners are afraid to charge what their product and time are worth, resulting in undercharging and losing money, and you don't want that. I also provide a done-for-you costing worksheet, and will be teaching you how to convert your ingredient measures so you can cost your product for profit. Since I already made the template for you, you can cost with ease. Moving on to decorating and baking. The fun part. FAQ 1. My frosting and icing cracks and crumbles after a few hours. Are you going to teach us how to solve this problem? Heck yeah, I am! Believe me when I say this was my biggest hurdle, and it really limited what I can do and offer my customers. But don't worry, I have a solution for you so you can start decorating Insta-worthy products. FAQ 2. Are you going to teach us how to make vegetable food coloring? I also heard natural food coloring fades and worried this will ruin my product. Yes, I will be demonstrating how to incorporate vegetable food coloring into icing and frostings. There definitely is a process to it so the color doesn't look grainy or spotty when you pipe or frost. But But don't worry, I'm not going to teach you the hard way to get vegetable food coloring, which is from scratch and where you boil fruits and vegetables for hours and strain the juice and color. No one's got time for that. Plus, it's so messy. In my beginner days, this was exactly how I made my own vegetable food coloring. Just a side note, vegetable food coloring is all natural, so the colors will never be as vibrant as artificial food coloring. The reason why I don't use artificial food coloring is because a lot of them contain ingredients that are known to cause seizure in dogs, for example, red number 40. I do, however, provide color mix recipes, which are all included in the course, and I show you how to add and mix the colors and to make them as vibrant as possible. Keep in mind, vegetable colors do fade over time around the 6-7 month mark. If you would like to see the results from the vegetable food colorings that I used in my business, you can hop on over to Bobby and Bambi's Dog Bakery's Instagram at Bobby and Bambi's Dog Bakery. Scroll way down the feed and you can see all the colors we used for our cakes and cookies. FAQ 3. Since you don't use preservatives, are you going to tell us how to make the treats shelf stable? Yes, I will. I'll show you Bobby and Bambi's process and procedures when it comes to extending the shelf life without using harmful preservatives. This, however, only applies to biscuits and cookies. FAQ 4. What kind of recipes will you be sharing? I will be sharing all of Bobby and Bambi's recipes. That includes our biscuits, cookies, cakes, and soft baked goods like pies and brownies. You are going to be so excited because you're going to have access to all of it. FAQ 5. Are you going to teach us how to ship cakes? I don't even know how this is even possible. Absolutely! Being able to ship and sell your products online is so important because it allows you to reach a much larger audience. I'll be teaching you my methods, process, and procedures, as well as tools when it comes to packaging and shipping your products. Woo! I hope I was able to answer all of your questions, and if you have any other questions, you can ask away in the comment section below, or you can contact me, and I'll leave all of the ways you can contact me in the description box below. Please allow about 24 hours for me to get back to you. I'm currently a one-person team, and I'm receiving many messages per day, but you can also connect with me on Instagram at Bobby and Bambi's Dog Bakery or Dog Bakery Academy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, and I hope you join me and the other Dog Bakery Academy members inside the course. Bye, friends!